Glam life. Glam life SF. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good evening, Portofino. We're tracking a major winter storm moving through the city tonight. One officials are calling historic, with conditions we haven't seen in nearly 30 years. Roads are icing over fast, and concerns are rising around power outages and frozen pipes. For the latest update, we're going to Sterling. Sterling?
Good evening, Portofino. This is Sterling with your weather update. We're tracking a major winter storm system moving through the city tonight. Temperatures have dropped rapidly, and we're already receiving reports of icy roads, heavy snowfall, and freezing conditions across several neighborhoods. And if you live in older homes or areas with exposed plumbing, please take this seriously because frozen pipes are already becoming a concern. City officials are advising residents to stay off the roads unless it's absolutely necessary. If you are traveling tonight, make sure you have a full tank of gas, emergency supplies, and warm clothing in your vehicle. We'll continue to monitor this storm as it develops. Stay safe, Portofino.
Kylan, Portofino is getting hit bad. They're saying the temperatures have dropped very fast and people are already dealing with frozen pipes and black ice. We can't wait until the morning. We might need to leave tonight.
Well, you know, we've been expecting it all week, so I guess let's get all the things together. Let's get out of here. Let's go and let Miss Serene know. Miss Serene can help us. She can help get the things ready. Get Karsyn in the car. I'll go and get some stuff packed as well, and then we can get out of here because we really need to leave. Oh, where's my shirt? Babe, tell me what I should throw on. Oh, never mind. I got it. We're moving fast now.
Okay, y'all. So I am packing the essentials, you know, like her diapers, her Karsyn. No, don't you go into those curtains. Come back, little girl. Mommy's good girl. Thank you for listening. So anyways, y'all, I am packing things that we don't have in Portofino, and one of them is very important, which is our proofing kit. She is crawling, she's into everything, so we need that. Also, I gotta take mommy essentials, gotta make sure I'm still taking care of myself while I'm packing for her. All right, we loading up. We about to go and get Miss Serene.
Okay, let's get everything in quick.
Mommy locking the bay in.
Okay, everybody buckled up?
Yep.
All right, we're off.
Well, while I'm waiting for them, let me make some coffee to go, because I can feel that it's going to be a long night.
So we headed by Miss Serene's house first, and after that, we're going straight to Portofino.
Just text her. Look, we can't waste time out here.
Okay, I'm about to text her right now. Miss Serene, we are outside.
Okay, y'all already here. All right, I'm coming.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, I'm ready, Mr. Kylan. Let's go.
She is knocked out, isn't she already?
I got her. Y'all just drive safe up there.
Okay, tomorrow we gotta hit the supplies early. Shops are already closing.
Oh my God, I didn't think of that. So we might have to drive out a couple of cities to find something that's open.
Yeah, but we're getting what we need.
Come on, baby, let's change your diaper and get you warm. Good night, my sweet girl. So Kylan did a full check outside. He checked the faucets, the pipes, the windows, the garage, and everything that could freeze he checked.
All right. Good night, y'all.
Yeah, we're good. Get some rest.
The next morning, we had to move fast. We had a small window before the storm got worse. Oh my goodness. This snow has accumulated so fast, the ground is covered.
I'm getting a donut. Do not judge me.
I'm not judging you, I'm supporting you.
All right, boss. What cut of steak do you recommend that's tender and not too lean?
I'd go with a ribeye. It's super tender and has just enough marbling so it's not too lean.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. I'll take that. Yeah, grab snacks too. Cookies, crisps, ice cream, cereal.
Babe, cereal is not a snack.
Yes, it is. Don't start.
Let's grab Karsyn some fruit. Oh my goodness, there's actually eggs here and milk. I can't believe there's some left.
Yeah, get them. Get a lot.
This snow is really coming down. It reminds me of New York. Well, hey there, pretty girl. You up now? Come on, let's eat, and then we can play.
Okay, babe, so we're headed to Home Depot. Please make it quick. Miss Serene texted me and said that the snow is getting heavier and it's worse.
All right, I got you. Stay warm. Okay, I'm taking this stuff straight into the garage.
Honey, I'm going to go ahead and start dinner, but I'm going to make you hot cocoa too. So I'll bring that back to you in just a moment.
Yes, please.
Hi, my sweet girl. Did you have fun with Miss Serene? Oh, I love you so much. You're gonna love what mommy's making you for dinner. Kylan is outside shoveling the yard, so I'm going to leave his cocoa here in the garage and he'll get it. So tonight I am making chili, something warm and something filling. And it's really spicy because that's kind of how we like it. So I'm going to make something different for my baby, for Karsyn. So she's just going to have chicken on sticks. I'm going to do like a puff pastry on the outside and puree her chicken and her vegetables on the inside so she can eat it.
Look at you having fun with Daddy. Yes, you are. Who's your favorite? Say Daddy's your favorite. Say it.
So this is how I make her chicken. I put it on the grill and I grill the vegetables as well. And now I'm going to use the dough that I made earlier before we went out. And I'm going to just use my rolling pin, roll it out, get it into a place where I can make it in little small balls. And then I will place scoops of her chicken and vegetables inside and then put it in the air fryer to cook.
Oh, this hits different when it's snowing outside.
This chili tastes good, Laura.
Thank you, Miss Serene. That makes me feel good. I'm glad you like my food.
Wow, look at her. She is tearing that up.
Yes, she is. When those feet are kicking, then it's good.
Good evening, Portofino. We continue to follow breaking developments as our mid-coastal region faces its first major winter storm in decades. Roads remain slick, temperatures are dropping, and emergency crews are stretched thin as this unusual weather pattern settles over the city. We begin tonight with an update involving one of our own. Coastal Current Editor-in-Chief Madison Kinley was involved in a weather-related crash early this morning. Officials say Kinley hit a patch of black ice, lost control of her vehicle, and slid into a tree. She was transported by ambulance to Bayview Medical Center. We're relieved to report that Madison and her baby-to-be are both doing well. After evaluation and monitoring, she was released this afternoon and is now resting safely at home. The Coastal Current team thanks the community for the outpouring of concern and support. Turning now to the broader storm impacts across Portofino. Heavy snowfall continues to blanket the region, creating dangerous
Oh no! Oh no, not a power outage.
Okay, everybody stay calm. I got it. Okay, where's my flashlight? Okay.
Miss Serene, can you see? Grand Karsyn. Let me go help and find my flashlight as well. Kylan, you have your flashlight?
Yep, don't worry, I got it.
Oh my goodness.
Come here, baby. You good, you safe, I got you.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Babe, where you at?
Babe, I'm in the closet.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, there you are. You good? Yeah, it's okay. Everything's back on now. We're good.
So finally, the snow is melting, it stopped snowing, and we are our last day here. Y'all, we've been here for a week, and I did not feel like picking up the camera. But today I'm in a good mood and wanted to bake, so I decided to make a blueberry cheesecake. And I'm also cleaning, wiping things down, sterilizing things because we're in Lake Tahoe, so we won't be coming to Portofino as much. So yeah, good tonight, Kylan and I are going to chill and have a movie night. Husband, let me put my mask on your face because your pores can use a little help.
Yeah, my paws don't need this. I've got good paws.
Yes, they do.
Okay, this actually feels pretty good.
Now let me put my under eye patches on because I have one that says wifey and you're gonna wear the ones that says hubby. Love, you look good. Skin looks all refreshed.
You're so extra.
But I'm your extra though. Let's go down and have cheesecake, baby. I love you.
Yeah, we earned this.
I think it's ready. I want it to be chilled so it have that nice texture. I'm ready to go back to Lake Tahoe for real.
And then we're still planning San Moritz.
Yes. Why are we doing another cold trip though? We already in Lake Tahoe.
Because we're fancy, that's why.
And this is how our trip to Portofino turned out. Our snowstorm story. Good night.